Hainan Chicken Chop. Is there anything better than this? Yut Kee has been in business for decades in the heart of KL, and the last time I visited was 10 years ago. So this is more like a nostalgic meal to kick in the retro vibes. The funny thing is such traditional kopitiam and they serve western chicken chop. And to make it local, they just slam on the gravy with vegetable dices and decided to call it Hainan Chicken Chop. Also, they serve really famous Kaya Swiss roll, another fusion of local and western. Just look at it, look at it. Look how juicy the slab of chicken is. It is so yummy and so much gravy. It reminds me of the Francesinha sandwich in Portugal. Nowadays, this place has turned into a tourist flavor, so it's always packed. Make sure you find some time with it. And I think they raised a little bit on the pricing, so now it's almost 12 ringgit per plate. And it's served really fast, within 5 minutes, so I guess they are prepared, pre-cooked. Well, it's a good meal indeed. Happy eating!